Even with the apparent softening of stance by the executive, pressure continues to have the proposed Security Laws Amendment Bill relooked at and amended. Appearing before the National Assembly Security and Administration Committee, the Kenya National Commission for Human Rights expressed reservations with some clauses of the bill, including Clause 18, which gives the Director of Registration of Persons power to revoke identity card of any person, an authority the Commission fears might be abused. The Commission is also expressing opposition to Clause 42.2 of the bill, which gives the Director General of Intelligence power to authorize covert operations. This power, the Human Rights Commission says, is offensive to the right of privacy as set out in Article 31 of the Constitution.
Indeed, what we should be asking ourselves is, where is the gap? The gap is not in the law. The gap is in the implementation.
Further, the Commission is opposed to the manner the executive intends to be handling the refugees as prescribed in Clause 16A of the bill, and is now criticizing the motive to reduce the one-month window given to refugees to register since their entry in the country. They also want the House to consult more on the maximum number of refugees to be allowed in the country, arguing the threshold of 150,000 refugees will throw the country into a humanitarian crisis, given that Kenya has over 600,000 refugees.
If we pass this law at 150,000, what does that mean? We will return the balance of 150,000?
Can you confirm? Can you confirm this?
The Security Committee was also pressured to have the amendment which seeks to subject media content to police approval before broadcast or publication withdrawn.
You are allowing the National Police Service Commission to authorize which material will be published. That is already offending the Constitution. And try and think, this is a law that is being borrowed from Sudan, I can tell you. That in the Sudan, there is a presidential press corps that approves newspapers' headlines and pictures.
The National Assembly is expected to dispense with the Security Laws Amendment Bill on Thursday when it convenes for special sitting. Kevin Washira, Channel One News.